Hello everyone, welcome back to Expo Radio. Today on the bench we have the infamous Mr. Potato Head, the very rare microphone, the FS-10, which works with the Yaesu 8500 radio, which is this kind of buttonless, face-plated jumbo screen radio. These have become quite popular over the years because this was the very high-end control mic for this radio, and not everybody spent the extra money to get them. So there was a basic one, I think it was the FS-10, that was released, and it had pretty much none of these controls on it. It was just like this and maybe one volume, maybe two. I check out one of my older videos, you can see I have another one of these radios with the basic mic, but this is the glorious one that everybody wants. As you can see, somebody drilled a hole here to make the microphone louder, and it's quite possible that they ended up killing the microphone from doing that, because the condenser is probably failing in this mic. It's extremely low audio. Everything else works, all the controls are good, so we're gonna open it up today and we're gonna take a look and see if it's the condenser element or not. I have these from DigiKey, and they're just a really good replacement for any kind of mic like this. They came highly recommended. I think they're $1 something a piece. So we'll give it a shot. So let's open this up. Well, here it is taken apart. As you can see, there are 3 different boards, and everything seems to be okay. But what I've noticed with this one is this end piece is bowed. It's not only is it bowed in this direction, it's pointing up a bit, but it's also twisted this way too. This left corner tip here kind of bends upwards from the rest of the board. It's probably fine. It's just from it being pressed in there that way for many years, but I want to meter all of these traces just to make sure everything's okay. And I also want to meter all of these resistors and capacitors before I change this condenser, just to make sure that it's not a bad cap or something like that. So let's go ahead and meter all of those and eliminate those possibilities, and then we'll end up installing this replacement condenser. Alright, now let's figure out where our ground is here. here is our cut sheet for this microphone, or sorry, I bought it from DigiKey. Here's our cut sheet. I just wanted to double check my negative and my positive. So, negative is my one with all these little copper lines in it, so that's good to know. And then negative on here is actually the green wire, which is confusing, so we'll stick with that arrangement. Hello, hello, test, test, 1, 2, 3.
Hello, test, 1, 2, 3.
Well, sounds like this definitely fixed my microphone issue.
Well, sounds like this definitely fixed my microphone issue.
Check, check, 1, 2, 3. This is from 1 foot away.
Check 1, 2, 3. This is from 1 foot away.
2 feet away, 2 feet away.
2 feet away, 2 feet away.
Right up close.
Right up close.
Well, I'm happy with that. Well, everyone, turns out it was just the bad condenser, so thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff, and if you don't, then you know what to do. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and if you're interested in any of these radios, a lot of them are for sale. You can check out exporadio.com. I do put them on eBay from time to time, but if you want us to get a bit of a deal, it's cheaper to just get them directly off my site. Send me an email. Alright, thanks for watching.